again, welcome back. Today in the shop we're working on that Jeep. We're going to put a mirror on it. So as you can see, that mirror is not like, where's that? That mirror. This one's broken. So we're going to fix it. Now these mirrors are fairly easy to replace. All you do is pop out those three Torx bits there, Torx screws, and pull that out and undo the connector. It's really that simple. I got two out. Got the third one out. And now the mirror is just kind of dangling. Well, dangle. That's the connector right there that I was talking about. So let's pop that out real quick. Alright, so there you have it. Pop that out. Pretty easy, really. New mirror. Pop it on. We'll plug that connector in and bolt it back in. Alright, all you do after you get it plugged in, wiggle it back into the hole there and put your bolt back in. Do three of them. Stick them all back in there and tighten them back down. See if I can get this out of here without smacking the camera. There we go. Simple as that. Easy peasy. Brand new mirror. Alright, so that was a super short, easy video on how to do a mirror. Really not that detailed stuff there, but some people like to know, so there you go. Like always, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks a lot.